Amazon sent me the wrong product twice. I asked for an extra large. This is the one I have. I use this one and the size. And they sent to me twice. They sent to me 2 days ago and they sent me one yesterday. And it's not the extra large. Look at the size difference between these two. This is a 5420 and this one's at 48 centimeters. So please make sure you order your product, make sure it's the right product. I'll be calling Amazon and I will return these two back.
Right.